Hello everyone, how are you doing today? Welcome back to my channel. And if you're coming across this channel for the very first time, you're welcome. I hope you'll subscribe and join us. Today I bring you another swallow option, which is Tuwo Shinkafa. It is made from a special kind of rice. It is a rice that gets done quickly, and this is what it looks like. You can get it in most Nigerian markets. It is whiter than the regular rice we cook, and it sticks when done, so that makes it really good for making Tuwo Shinkafa. It is also about the same price with the regular rice. This is going to be a very quick recipe, so stay with me. We are going to be done in no time. The first thing I'm going to do is to wash this rice and make sure it is clean. Once that is done, I'll transfer the washed rice into a pot. Then I'll add enough water to cover the rice. I'll cover and cook on low to medium heat for some 15 minutes. The rice cooks really quickly, and this is some 10 minutes later, and I'm going to be checking to see if it is soft enough. As it feels, it looks like it can use a little bit more water and some cooking time. So I'm going to add a bit more water and allow it to cook on low heat now. It's been another 10 minutes and it looks like it's a good time to start mashing. I checked and it feels very soft, and I am just going to keep mashing these. Look at how soft it is. Just going to keep mashing until it comes together. Look at how it melts on my finger. That is how soft we want it. While I'm mixing and mashing, the stove is still on very low heat. I did not turn it off completely. So I'm just going to keep doing this until it comes together nicely. Don't worry, it doesn't take much time, because the rice is the type that gets really soft, and 2-3 minutes and you will be done with this process. If you like this video, please encourage me by giving me a thumbs up. It helps me to keep going and tells me that I'm doing a good job. So please keep the likes coming. And if you're finding my channel for the first time, it will make me so happy if you subscribe so that we can keep growing. There is so much that I want to show you on this channel. Okay, I love the texture, and that means it is time to remove this from the pot. I love to do this a lot, and I think this is how the Hausas also serve the food. They put a bit in a plate with a smooth surface, and they just roll it around like this, and it comes into a nice looking ball, just like you're seeing now. And this is how I'm going to serve it. Like that, it goes into my plate, where I'm going to be dealing with it very, very soon. I'm going to remove the rest and keep for my husband, who also has an adventurous taste bud. I'm going to be serving my tuwo with some Ewedu Alasepo. I am going to be uploading the recipe for this soup very soon on my channel, so please look out for it. You can enjoy your tuwo with any soup of your choice. The Hausas love to eat it with miyan kuka, miyan taushe, but you can also enjoy it with your soup of choice. I enjoyed this a lot. I have quite a number of swallow recipes on my channel, and I will be putting the links in the description box, from amala dudu to amala lafun, which is white amala, even swallow made from guinea corn, which is very good for weight loss or weight maintenance. So look out for these recipes on my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you soon with another recipe. Bye.